Yoga Burn review. Are you tired of that spare tire around your waist? And maybe you're looking for a more holistic method of losing it. Now, we all know that yoga is a centuries-old way to fitness, health and mental peace of mind. It comes in many forms with different disciplines, but the objectives remain the same. But it is not often seen as a form of exercise to facilitate weight loss, particularly for women. Yoga Burn, however, created by professional yoga instructor Zoe Bray, is specifically aimed at women looking to lose weight. Other forms of weight loss exercise regimes, jogging, weightlifting and the like, are often high impact and unrealistically strenuous for a lot of women. Yoga Burn, however, is perfect for women who want to lose weight in a low impact way, with a series of smooth exercises to follow at their own speed and their own level of fitness. It's ideal, therefore, for women looking for a practical way to lose weight without heavy lifting or equipment. Click the link beneath this video for more details. Now, the Yoga Burn course consists of 9 videos in total, each of which is broken down into 3 different workouts for 3 different phases. Now, these equate to 45-minute sessions, and you should aim at performing 3 sessions per week. While the course uses a variety of serious yoga poses, they are neither challenging or stressful. Stress in exercising should be avoided, and Yoga Burn is stress-free. As I said before, the course is geared towards women, and while many weight loss concepts are common for men or women, different physiologies, however, often require different methods. Now, the course is laid out in 3 phases: foundational, transitional and mastery flow. These are geared towards different levels of expertise and gradual weight loss. Yoga Burn works best in conjunction with a sensible and healthy eating plan, of course, but it equates to a 12-week course of weight loss and increased flexibility and all the associated ongoing health benefits. So, if you are a woman looking to experience the multitude of benefits that yoga provides and focus on weight loss, then this is the course for you. Click the link beneath this video for even more information and testimonials from women who have achieved great results using the Yoga Burn method. And don't forget to like our video, because that would be appreciated. So click below for more details, and thanks for watching.